Hello everybody. So, today, happy Independence Day. Or, if you're not American or don't celebrate it, then that's fine. So, now you're watching Jayz Season 2.
Going down south, I'm gonna have myself a time.
Friendly faces everywhere, humble folks without temptation.
Going down south, I'm gonna leave my woes behind.
Everybody together, people shouting hallelujah.
Heading on up south, I'm gonna see if I can unwind. Come on down south, I can meet some friends of mine.
Sheesh, I'm bored today. Well, I must not be an idiot because today is Independence Day, aka 4th of July. Why would I be an idiot? Anyways, since I'm alone here, I guess I'm gonna just call my friends yet again.
What do you want?
Dude, we're going to do the fireworks thing again because it's the 4th of July.
Oh wow, not a big surprise.
Yeah, I know. Just go meet me at the bus stop. And the others will come and we'll go to NPC Mart and get the fireworks again. But this time the fireworks are gonna get even better.
Oh alright. See you at the bus stop soon.
You, Jay, what's up?
Oh, nothing. It's that time of day again. Independence Day, 4th of July. We're all gonna be at the bus stop, then we go to NPC Mart to get some even better fireworks than the last two times. So, let me know when you're ready.
Alright, see ya.
Oh, hey Isaiah, where are you right now? I'm in heaven. Oh, that's cool. So anyways, can you come back down to Earth if you have the time? Or if you have the opportunity? Because, you know, the day is the 4th of July, aka, Independence Day. So, I'm pretty much, we all go to the bus stop and go to the NPC Mart, blah, blah, blah. But this time I'll get some better fireworks. So, it's that time again. You already know. Okay, I'm on my way.
What a nice day in Pennsylvania once again.
Alright, so generally, you already know what day it is once again. It's July 4th, 2024, or Independence Day. So I'm gonna buy some better fireworks, meet me in the bus stop, and we'll go to Trevor's Lake.
Hey guys, so looks like I'm back. Let's say the boys.
Alright, we got the fireworks ready, and now let's go to Trevor's Lake. Alright, Isaiah, you can try him out again.
Okay.
Beep! Oh my god, they killed Isaiah!
You bastards.
Alright, let's set up these fireworks, and